Good Midwest morning, everyone. This is Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOCtown.com. And since spring is knocking at our door, I thought I'd share with you what I'm going to be using in order to clean off my keyboard. And actually, it says this dust destroyer cleans off not only just keyboards, but your mice, your CPUs, your laptops, and other electronic devices. So, and of course, it says do not shake, which I'm always used to shaking aerosol containers. And I'm going to read the directions before I use it. But for my workshop, I'm going to share with you what it's like to actually have a keyboard, even though I don't drink or eat in front of my computer. But it's going to be interesting to see if anything comes out of it. So here is the dust destroyer that I picked up from Staples, and looking forward to see how well it works. Alright, got a lot of spring cleaning to do. What are you using for your digital devices?